Hello viewer, in this video we will learn animating section cut and exporting to video. This is I already done. I will show you how to do this. To do this animation we need minimum 2 section plane. This is the one what I have created already. I will remove this. You can assume that you have the only model. And this scenes I created, so this also I am deleting. Now this is your model. As I already told you, we need minimum 2 section planes, so create the section plane. And another one is the direction should be in same direction. This, if you see the direction, the arrow mark towards to this side, but here is opposite direction. So we need to change it to the same this direction. So right click on the cutting plane and make it to reverse. So now it is changed. Because now why I moved this one, the reason is it was outside the model, so slightly I clicked this and I moved it to, earlier it was like this. I selected the move tool and slightly taken inside, so that some portion will show for the to create the scenes. Okay, before creating scenes, this we need to unhide this cutting section plane. Using this one we can unhide this and position the model and go to zoom the model. How much ever you want, you can zoom the model, then you can start for creating scenes. Hide this, keep first one, this one, and first scene will be, in one scene we have to give only one section plane, and in another scene we have to give one section plane. So this is the concept. I am showing one cut section plane. I am going to create the scenes. Go to view and animation, add scene. The scene has created, one scene created, and for another scene activate this cut section. If you don't know how to activate this cut section, right click on that and activate cut section. So now unhide this, create another scene. This scene is created, and go to animation and play. You can notice that there is few parts left out. The reason is we need to move the cut section plane slightly outside. Go to still this portion is left out, so we need to move that. Move outside. Okay, done. So now we can export this. How to export this animation into video? Go to File, Export, and you can find animation in that video. You can find the option here, option toolbar. In this resolution, if you want full HD, you can choose this one. I am keeping 720. And if you want 30, if your model is very much fast, then you can choose 30 frames per second. It will be very clear. And loops to start, if you choose this one, it will automatically start the where you started the frame. You can cross check it once creating this check mark, and you can come to know the difference. So I don't need this one, so that I'm not keeping it. Anyhow, I will choose this. We will see, and give OK and export. Exporting option, you have AVI format and MP4, and and one more 2 format is there. So I am keeping MP4, sorry, AVI. Now exporting it. This is the one what we created. Thanks viewer for watching this video.